everyone present over here. On behalf of Sacred Heart Convent School, I extend my heartfelt greetings to each one of you gathered here for this special program focusing on avoidance of sugary items and their harmful effects on your health. We are indeed blessed and honored to welcome our respected Father Sebastian, our Reverend Sister Crispin Maria, and our family in charge, and Sister Sabine Maria. And now, my dear audience, let us listen to what our brilliant students have prepared for us today. With love, efforts and awareness, they have come up with something special to convey why it's high time we say a sweet goodbye to too much sweetness. Now, I would like to invite here Anam and Disha.
Everyone, respected principal, teachers, and wonderful audience, I welcome all of you to this special theme-based assembly, Sugar Intake Reduction. Today's special assembly is focused on something we all love, sugar. But do not worry, we are not here to celebrate sweets. We are here to understand how too much sugar can affect our health and what we can do about it. As a new initiative by CISCE, our school is introducing a special step called the Sugar Board to help students become more aware and make better food choices. So let us begin today's assembly to learn how we can stay strong and smart and sweet, but in the healthy way. Principal, teachers, and my dear friends, today I'm here to speak about a new and important initiative, the Sugar Board, that is being set up in our school. We all love sweets, chocolates, candies, cold drinks, and desserts. But have you ever thought how much sugar we can eat in a day? Studies show that children are consuming more sugar than they need, which is leading to problems like obesity, tooth decay, and even early diabetes. That's why the Council for Indian School Certificate Examination has advised all schools to take steps to monitor and regulate sugar intake among students. One such step is the introduction of Sugar Board. So, what is the Sugar Board? It is a display board that shows the amount of sugar present in the common food items we eat. From biscuits and soft drinks to packaged snacks. It will also show healthy tips, alternatives, and interesting facts to help us make better choices. The idea is not to stop enjoying food, but to become aware of what we eat. With this, we hope that every student will start thinking twice before picking up that extra chocolate or sugary drink.
I would like to invite our student counselor, Ms. Rashan Preet, to share her views on the topic Sugar Board.
Sebastian, our beloved principal, Reverend Sister Crispin Maria, and to our all dedicated teachers and my dear students. Today, I would like to speak about something that many of us enjoy but often overlook the risks of sugar consumption. Sugar is found in many of our favorite foods such as candies, chocolates, sauces, even packaged juices. When it tastes great and it gives us quick burst of energy, consuming too much sugar can affect our health. When we eat sugary snacks, our brain releases happy hormones, which is called serotonin. So when they release happy hormones, we feel excited, happy, and often feel like we can just want to run around. So many of it makes it even more tricky that sugar hides in many of our foods that we do not expect. For example, packaged foods जूसेस, जो आप जूसेस के बॉक्स पीते हो, जो आप ब्रेकफास्ट में सीरियल खाते हो, इवन जो चोकोस एंड फ्रॉस्टीज एंड सॉसेज लाइक केचप, these food items also have sugar in them. So that's why it is important to read labels, the food labels. If any of the food labels contain words like fructose or sucrose or corn syrup, so you have to understand that these items contain sugar in them and which is not good for you. According to our WHO, our health experts, a normal human being, a person should not exceed more than 6 spoons of sugar in a day. I want to play a game with you guys. Are you guys ready for a game? So it's called Sugar Detectors. I will say give you some of the examples. So what you have to do is raise your hands. अगर आपको लगता है, आपको अपना हैंड रेज करना अगर आपको लगता है कि इसमें शुगर है, एंड आपको थम्स अप करना है अगर आपको लगता है इसमें शुगर नहीं है. ओके, दोबारा contains sugar. Okay, apple does contain sugar. It actually contains 4.5 tablespoons of sugar. A small apple can contain 4.5 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, what about chocolate bars? Very good. Chocolate bars is the leading cause. Chocolate bar खाने से सबसे ज़्यादा कैलोरीज बच्चों को होती है. Okay, what about banana? Many of you said कि इसमें शुगर होती है. You are correct, इसमें शुगर होती है. Banana is a good source of potassium, which is very essential for us. But at the same time, it has more than 6 tablespoons of sugar. What about very good sugar detectors? We all can make small changes that have a big impact. We can choose water instead of sugar drinks. You can drink water instead of drinking Fanta, Coca-Cola, Pepsi. Even energy drinks. Some of you might think that it's not harmful. It is. Energy drinks contain a lot of sugar and it is very harmful for us as well. We can choose to eat fruits instead of fruit snacks or granola bars or those protein bars that you all enjoy to have. We can have roasted nuts and fresh fruits instead of processed sweets. It's also important to brush our teeth twice in a day to avoid cavities and to protect our spines. I would once again like to thank you, our Reverend Father Sebastian and Reverend Sister Crispin Maria, for encouraging us into healthy and responsible individuals. And thank to all our teachers for guiding us all every day. Let's make a promise about sugar cake for our bodies. Being sweet truly resides about your behavior and not about what you eat. Thank you.
For giving such a useful information. Dear students, it's time for a vibrant and meaningful Students' Carnival for the awareness, led by our head boy and head girl. Through their work, now you will see how sugary items affect children in many harmful ways. So let us walk through this display of learning, guided by our young change makers, the voices of a healthier tomorrow. So here they come. In children as it affects the brain functioning. Such items also disturbs your gut health, and which is very common reason for your stomach aches. It also suppresses your immune systems. It triggers so many skin inflammations and also airways inflammations.
I pledge to choose health and happiness. I will say yes to the fruits. Water and healthy snacks. And no to many sweets. Sugary drinks and junk. I promise to take care of my body.
we come to the end of today's special assembly on sugar awareness and the launch of our very own sugar board. I feel honored to deliver the vote of thanks on behalf of the school. First of all, I would like to thank our respected director, principal, teachers and our staff members for guiding us and supporting this important initiative. A heartfelt thanks to the Council of Indian School Certificate Examination for encouraging schools across India to take a stand for students' health. To all my fellow students, thank you for listening with interest and showing your commitment through today's pledge. Remember, small changes in our daily habits can lead to big difference in our futures. Let us promise to make wise food choices, reduce our sugar intake, and inspire others too. Thank you once again. Let us stay aware, stay healthy, and stay sweet the smart way. Have a good day ahead. Thank you.